How to add payment method in Roblox on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Go ahead and open your preferred browser as this process cannot be done from your Roblox application itself. So once you have opened your browser, in the search bar, search for roblox.com and further enter your login credentials with the account where you want to add the payment method. Once logged in, tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings again in the menu that appears. Now, under the Settings tab, you will see the Account Info drop down. Tap on that and then select the Payment Methods option you see there. Now, you will see the Add button. Go ahead and tap on the Add button and you will now be required to enter your card number, the card's expiry date and CVV, along with your billing email and your billing address, along with the country or region and the address. So once you have entered all the required information, tap on the Save button, and with this, your payment method will be added. So this is how you can add payment method on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.